Got the new camera working.
I can see that.
How's your day?
It's good.
You okay?